Hello students, today we will be studying gender related nouns. This is my home. As you can see, there are 4 different types of classifications. First, masculine, then there is common, then there is feminine, and then there is neuter. Let's look into what masculine is. A noun that denotes a male is said to be masculine gender. For example, a boy, a man, the king, a tiger. Feminine. A noun that denotes a female is said to be the feminine gender. For example, a girl, a woman, the queen, a tigress. Next one is common. A noun that denotes both a male and a female is said to be the common gender. For example, a baby, a teacher, children. Lastly, there is neuter. A noun that denotes a non-living thing is said to be the neuter gender. For example, a purse, torch, shoes, sofa. Now, let's solve these questions to check our understanding on this subject. First, daughter. Now, daughter refers to a girl child. That's why it will be feminine. Husband refers to a male, so this will be masculine. Now, tree. It can neither be categorized as a female nor as a male, so this will go into the category of neuter. Fourth is a child. Child can be a girl and it can be a boy, so it will come under the category of common. Similarly, a student can also refer to a female student or a male student, so this will also be common. Table. Now, table is a non-living thing, so this will be classified as neuter. Actress is feminine, it's a female. And similarly, if we talk about an actor, that will be male, so that will be masculine. Tiger is a male tiger, that's why masculine. A friend can refer to a female friend or a male friend, so again this will be common. And similarly, cousin will also include a male and a female cousin, so it will also be common. Uncle, it refers to a male relative, that's why masculine. A bus is a non-living thing, that's why it will be a neuter. Student, as discussed previously, this is a common. Then baby can include a male and a female baby, so this will be common. An ox is a male counterpart of cow, so that will be masculine. Sometimes a masculine gender can be changed into a feminine gender by adding an ESS to the masculine word. Now let's look into a few examples for this. Lion, it turns into lioness when you add ESS. Similarly, author becomes authoress, shepherd becomes shepherdess, and prince becomes princess. Now sometimes prior to the addition of ESS, you have to remove the last vowel that has been used in the masculine word. For example, actor. So now you will have to remove the O, so that will be ACTR, and you will add S, ESS. So that way it becomes actor, actress, monitor, monitress, hunter, huntress, waiter and waitress. Sometimes there is no relation between the masculine and the feminine terms. For example, boy, girl, son, daughter, uncle, aunt, duck, drake, gander and goose. Now, the gender of some compound nouns can be changed by changing only one part of the noun. So compound nouns are those words where two existing words are put together. So for example, grandfather. So one word is grand, the second one is father. So now, how can you change the gender of these types of nouns? So grandfather and grandmother. So over here, grand remains the common word and father and mother have been replaced. Similarly, it can be grandson and granddaughter. You can also have milkman and milkmaid, peacock and peahen, washerman and washerwoman, landlord and landlady. So children, this is it about gender related nouns. I hope you have gained some clarity on the subject. Thank you.